Hi, my name is Laura Askill. I'm the Ag Ed Farm Manager with Metro Parks of Butler County. And today we're at Chrisholm Metro Park, Chrisholm Historic Farmstead, which is located at 2070 Woodsdale Road, Trenton, Ohio 45067. And our topic for this video is going to be nests. Now most people think when you talk about nests at a farm, we're talking about chicken nests. And yes, we do have 11 chickens here at the farm, but we're going to save that for another video. Today we're going to be talking about 3 native birds, and we're going to look at some active nests that occur next to our 1800s Amish Mennonite bank barn. So let's go see what's happening. I think one of the most recognizable cup nests with blue eggs at Metro Parks of Butler County, and maybe even in your own backyard, belongs to the American robin, probably because of its high numbers and ability to live in the habitats around us. American robins are actually in the thrush family. The female robin will lay 3 to 5 blue eggs, and when she's done laying, she will incubate them. And the babies are born blind and naked, and it takes a few days for their eyes to open and small pin feathers to start growing. The male and female American robin, they look the same. They have dark head, beautiful red breasts, and a gray back. The females are usually a bit duller. Now you notice the nest had 4 eggs in it, but only has 2 eggs and 1 baby now. Something happened to the 4th egg, sadly. If conditions are right and parents are able to find enough food, the babies will grow up and fledge in about 2 weeks. Now robins are omnivores, so they will feed animals and plant material to their babies. The nest is made of grasses and small twigs and other soft plant materials, and then lined with mud. American robins are usually the first birds to sing early, very early in the morning. Cheerily, cheerily, cheerily. And a cool fact about American robins is that they can actually hear earthworms moving underneath the ground. Can you do that? Well, nearby we found another cup nest that belongs to the eastern phoebe. Eastern phoebes migrate from Central America and are in the flycatcher family. So you'll notice that there's one large single baby in this soft grass nest covered with moss. This phoebe's first brood was parasitized by a brown-headed cowbird. The brown-headed cowbird female is a brood parasite, which means she doesn't even build her own nest and doesn't raise her own babies. She will lay eggs in other bird species' nests and then has them raise her own offspring for her. Some birds can tell the difference and will get rid of the egg, they'll bury the egg with a new nest, and they'll just leave the nest, but not the eastern phoebe. But now we're showing you the second brood, which doesn't have any brown-headed cowbird babies in it. And if you don't see the adults bobbing their tails while perched at the red barn, you will probably hear them. Listen for their sharp chirp or call, which says, Phoebe, Phoebe. Now a few feet away is another very active nest belonging to the barn swallows, which is another migrant from Central and South America. You'll notice the adults are blue, they have long tail and it's forked. And they are aerial insectivores, excellent flyers which catch insect on the wing. Farmers appreciate having barn swallows around because they help keep the bugs away from the animals, the crops, and us, of course. Their nests are made out of mud pellets and filled with nice soft materials and usually attached to man-made structures. So have you enjoyed visiting the 3 active nests here at the farm? If you haven't had the opportunity to take a walk through the rye field, come on out, because I bet you can find some other nests out here too. But remember, it's not just birds that build nests. We have insects, amphibians, reptiles, and even mammals that make nests to help protect their offspring. And remember to always just look. Don't touch and disturb wildlife. So log off, shut down, and get outside. And our next topic is going to be about the eastern click-eyed beetle. Thank you.